Hello, welcome to Coders Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the nested dictionaries. A dictionary can contain a dictionaries. This is called a nested dictionary. Now we will see the example. I will take a dictionary name act dict and I will take it name and is I will give 21. Then I will copy this one. I do not have patience. Then I have to copy and paste it 3 times. Then I will change a slide modification. I have to change the name 1, name 2. Then coming to I will slightly change the names as well as the age. See, then we are going to print that dictionary by using the print method. So print, I have to give the pass that action dictionary, then run the code in Python. You will get the output. See, this is the output. So here what we observed, a dictionary contains a dictionaries. I will take a one more method and I will take individually 3 dictionaries, same what I did previously, name 1 and name 2 and name 3 I have to take. So name 1 I have to give and then take age, I have to specify whatever it may be. Then coming to a dictionary, name 1 and copied and name 2 and name 3 I have to paste it. Each dictionary separated by comma. And I am changing the names also for easily identification purpose. And then these are the individually dictionaries. And come to here, I have to take a new dictionary name. Then how we will class we will declare in Java, like that we will be declared here. Name 1 double quotation, then semicolon name and double quotation I have to specify name 2 colon name 2 and so on. I have changed these names. Then I am trying to print this new dict. We will see print new dict. I have to pass here, then run the code in Python. Then we will see it will be displayed the nested dictionary. So it will convert and